All right, I have chosen 4 equations for us to go over together. And as you can see, each of them includes one of the basic operations. So starting off on the upper left corner, this is z plus 6 equals 10, or 10 equals z plus 6, the same thing. So remember, when I'm solving equations, my goal is always the same, getting that variable by itself. So I'm going to go to the side where the variable is, and the only thing I have to get rid of is the plus 6. So the inverse of addition, of course, is subtraction, so minus 6 on both sides to keep the balance. Again, new technology here, I'm trying to get used to it. 4 equals z, or better, z equals 4. Remember, you can go back really quickly and check to make sure you're correct. So put this answer in the original equation. 4 plus 6 is 10, and you can do it mentally. Second one, q minus 12 is 1. Variable right here, this is with a variable. I want to get rid of that. So the inverse of subtraction is addition. So here we go, adding the opposite to both sides. Keep the balance. Left side, if I clean that up, I'm getting q. It looks like a g, but it should be a q, equals 13. Putting it in the original, 13 minus 12 is 1. Checks. Right here, I have 8 times y. It's multiplication here, even though I don't have the dot. There's a factor of 8, and that's the problem. I have to get rid of that factor. The inverse of multiplication, of course, is division. So here we go. Divide both sides by that factor. 48 divided by 8 is 6, and that would be my answer because I got the variable by itself. I'm going to check the answer in the original equation. You always go back to the original. 8 times 6 is 48. Checks. Finally, I have 18 equals 8 divided by 2. Don't let the fact that the variable is on the other side worry you. You still want to get the variable by itself. So a is my variable, and of course I have division by 2. That's my problem. The inverse of division is multiplication, so I'm going to multiply both sides with the same factor. Oh my goodness. Times 2 times 2. There we go. Sorry about that. So this gives me 2 times 18 is 36 equals a, or what am I doing here? Or a equals 36. Let me check that really quickly in the original. Well, the original was 18 equals a over 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Half of 36 is 18. Correct. And that is it for one-step equations.